Hi there, this is Bill Judas, and today I'm taking a look at the 60 micro LED string lights from RTGS products. Helping me today is Amelie. This is a string of 20 feet of LED white light. Can you press the button? The battery box itself takes 6 AA batteries, and as you can see, the string is quite long. It's also rather thin. It's quite thin. The functionality of the battery box is actually duplicated on a remote control. Can you grab the remote quick? Okay. The sensor for the remote control is right here. Now these are indoor-outdoor lights, and the lights themselves are fully submersible, but the battery box is not. Can you put the remote down, please, and just quickly open up the battery box? The battery box is weatherproof, which means it's just fine for outdoor use in rain. And the nice thing about battery box, as you can see, is that it opens with a snap. Can you close it again? There are 3 modes from the battery box, and that's on, off, and a timer. The timer basically allows it to run for 6 hours, then automatically shut itself off for 18 hours, then go back on for 6 hours and repeat. With a fresh pair of AA batteries, you get about 2 weeks of usage. Otherwise, if for some reason you want to run the lights non-stop, you'll get about 18 hours. No, I'm sorry, 48 hours of usage, which is thanks to the LED technology. But most likely you'll just want to manually press it on and off, or use the timer feature. It's only $14.95, and it's available directly from the RTGS products website. And you can check out the full review of this product on Armchair Arcade, and check out the companion blog post there. Take care.